Want to accept payments on your Shopify store in just a few clicks? In this video, I will guide you how to set up your payment gateways. First, log into your Shopify admin and click Settings in the bottom left. Now select Payments to open the payment configuration page. You'll see Shopify Payments at the top. Click Complete Account Setup, fill in your business and banking details, and then click Activate Shopify Payments. If you prefer a third-party processor or Shopify Payments isn't available, scroll down to Third-Party Provider section and click Choose a Provider. Search for your preferred gateway such as PayPal, Stripe, or Authorize. Then click Activate and enter the API credentials or credentials you obtained from that provider. Next, enable alternative payment methods like Apple Pay or Google Pay under wallets by toggling them on. You can also add manual payment methods such as bank deposits or cash on delivery by clicking Manual Payment Methods, choosing Custom Method and entering your instructions. And that's it for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.